Electric vehicles are driving the future of automobiles, and a reliable charging infrastructure is essential for widespread adoption and seamless user experience. One company has built a network of over 900 smart EV charging stations across the nation while pioneering one of the fastest charging solutions available. In this case study, we'll dive into how this company plans to populate their network into untapped locations with its next-generation charging stations. After successfully validating a Raspberry Pi proof of concept, the company sought an industrial IoT gateway alternative to scale for real-world deployment. However, this transition posed several challenges. First, reliability was paramount. These charging stations needed to operate in extreme weather conditions, from sub-zero winters to blistering summers. The IoT gateway had to withstand these elements to ensure 24/7 uptime. Any disruptions or downtime will impact an EV driver's plans and damage the network's reputation. Second, real-time performance was crucial. The gateway solution had to rapidly collect and process mission-critical data from multiple IoT devices for a seamless charging session. Delays in this process can be detrimental and frustrating for EV drivers. Third, IoT-centric connectivity were key. The IoT gateway needed to provide the necessary I/O to integrate various devices and sensors. 4G LTE were required for wireless communication with the company's cloud network. After understanding the charging station company's challenges, the rugged edge experts at Premio recommended the RCO-1000-EHL Series. This compact and rugged system has been successfully deployed in various edge applications with similar environmental and connectivity prerequisites. Unlike the consumer-grade solutions such as a Raspberry Pi or popularly known NUC, the RCO-1000-EHL is engineered for industrial deployments. It features an ultra-compact fanless design that protects against dust, debris, extreme temperatures, fluctuating power, and other factors. Since the RCO-1000 has a minimal footprint, it is seamlessly retrofitted into the spatially limited charging dispenser enclosure. For additional reassurance and reliability in such demanding environments, the RCO-1000 has achieved UL-listed safety standard certification for deployment peace of mind. It is even an AWS IoT Greengrass qualified device for seamless edge-to-cloud operations. As for performance, this rugged system leverages an Intel Atom X6425E processor that balances low power utilization with real-time processing performance. This processor also has embedded focused features such as time-sensitive networking capabilities for low latency response times and a long-term product support lifecycle for deployment consistency. Additionally, the RCO-1000-EHL delivers comprehensive IoT connectivity within a compact footprint. It supports multiple high-speed USB and RJ45 LAN ports for the latest technologies such as payment systems and measuring sensors, as well as serial ports for legacy systems. For convenient scalability, the RCO-1000 series supports modular EdgeBoost I/O technology to seamlessly be configured for additional I/O. Since wireless connectivity was a must, the RCO-1000-EHL has built-in support for 4G LTE and even 5G capabilities through an M2 expansion slot. This allows for secure wireless data communications to the cloud network. Along with an industrial IoT gateway solution, partnering with Premio brought significant benefits. The company was able to utilize Premio's dedicated engineering support, ensuring firmware optimization and compatibility with the charging management platform. Their team of supply chain experts ensured seamless production and delivery for rapid time to market. Scalability was another key factor. With a 150,000 square foot manufacturing facility strategically located in Los Angeles, Premio can meet high volume production demands as the charging network continues to expand. The integration of the RCO-1000-EHL Series IoT gateway has transformed this EV charging network provider. By addressing key operational challenges, the solution ensures seamless operation in harsh environments. With Premio's ongoing support, this charging network continues to expand, strengthening the future of EV infrastructure and smart transportation.